Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Remove any case, inspect the volume buttons and mute switch, and clean debris with a soft brush or short burst of air. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Make sure you note whether the volume still changes during restart, because that tells you if hardware or software is likely causing the issue. If the buttons feel stuck or sticky, gently press them a few times to free movement. Otherwise, move to software checks next. Now you shift to software. Update iOS to the latest version because many volume bugs are fixed in updates. Then disable attention-aware features and any audio-related accessibility options so you can rule out automatic adjustments. Turn off Bluetooth and disconnect accessories, since a headset or car system can change volume. If the problem persists, reset settings, general transfer, or reset to restore defaults without deleting data. Make sure to test between each change so you isolate the cause. Finally, if software steps fail, back up your iPhone and attempt a DFU restore. This reinstalls firmware and can fix persistent software faults. If volume still fluctuates afterward, you likely have a hardware fault. Arrange an Apple support appointment or authorized repair for button replacement. Make sure to document the behavior with voice memos or a video so technicians can see the issue. If you need help preparing backups or walkthroughs for DFU mode, follow the on-screen instructions or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.